Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're going over some Tennessee whiskey, Chris Stapleton. Cool, so let's start with putting a capo on 2nd fret, please. Standard tuning, 2nd fret. We only got 2 chords. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. And so that's the chords. I can show you little things that I did in the beginning, that just to make it a little more fun, adding some stuff. And then we got that melody that we can play over the chords if we're more advanced players. But anyway, let's start with the chords and the switching and talk about the strumming. The song is in 6/8. A minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down. G major. G major. 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm doing here over the G. Sometimes I'm playing the G with 3rd finger and 4th finger like that, muting the A string, and then I'm adding over the G, and sometimes so that's 1 and 2 B string, G string, and sometimes I do 1 and 2 B string, D string. That's like a C over G. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. And then we can make the A minor 7. A minor 7 is just lifting up your 3rd finger, make that 7. And then you can also add the 7 right here with the pinky on the E string. And if you want to play that melody, we go. So that's D, 2nd on D, open G, and then B while you're grabbing the chord. So that's 4 to open on the G string. Again. Again. That time you end on G. great jammer. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more awesome hits. Be safe. Thank you.